What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at this little gem that I hope I hope actually this thing will do what I bought it for. I don't even know that for sure, okay? This is the Epessa storage bag for scooters. It mounts right on the front as you see in this picture, and I'm going to mount it on the Hover One over here to see if it works. But I only bought it to see if it would carry this over here, the Mavic Mini, so when I go out on the trail, I can put the Mini in there. See, we use Rich's bags for the emergency supplies. I have to be able to carry the quadcopters, so I'm hoping the Mini will fit in here, and if it don't, then it was a waste of money for me. But you can't tell just by looking at the pictures and stuff online. Yeah, they have a couple of videos out there, guys stuffing a water bottle, some keys in a phone and all that, but we got to see if the Mini will go in there. So that was the whole point of getting it. But I mean, it looks really like a high quality bag. So it says on here, hard shell protection, very light, resistance to falling, mesh components, waterproof. And it says on there Pro. You know, once you get that Pro on there, once Pro is involved, then you know it's going to be good, right? Okay, because they always got to put Pro on stuff. So let's open this up and get it out of here. Now, I have not found out anything about it. I have not opened this yet. It's still in that wrapper, even though the flap was off. But that's the way it came in the big giant Amazon box. Actually, the box that this came in was actually 4 times the size of the box there. It was one of those big cardboard boxes with this flopping around in there. So I'm anxious to get it open to see if the Mini will go in there. Let's hurry up and do that, because then I can see if I wasted my money or not. I don't know, guys. Looking a little shaky. Let's see. I don't know. I don't like this thing right here, for one. Okay, I'll drop the Mini in. Okay, that's working. Okay, so now I need the controller, extra battery, and the mount. That works for me. Okay, so yeah, that's fantastic. Oh, the cable. Oh, God, you know, you get there and you don't have the damn cable. Then what? Then you're SOL flying it without the damn phone. Okay, that's going to work. So I can stop on the trail, pull this out, and shoot the Mini. Now, when I go out on the trails during the summer and the fall and all that, and shoot these videos out there, you know, these bikes are limited to the kinds of drones I can take out there on the trail. You know, I have to be able to take something like this. So I'm sure the Mini 2 will fit in here also, so I might buy another one of these. But you know, you're kind of limited to what you can, you know, haul out there as far as drones. I mean, I'm not going to sit there and take the Inspire out on the trail, okay? So I'm going to be taking Mini 2, maybe the Anafi can fit in the saddlebag of the Electric XP. And you know, the Mavic Pro and all those things. Those things can fit in those saddlebags. But, you know, I'm not taking no Phantom 4 or Inspires or anything like that out there to do this kind of stuff. So it's going to be mostly these drones, which basically are my favorite drones anyway. So these, you know, easy to deploy and all that. So yeah, I think this is a nice bag. Actually, it's a very nice quality. You know, it has that really nice feel to it, and it is hard. So, you know, there's protection there if it falls or I crash or whatever, I doubt that the drone is going to get damaged or anything. So let's turn the camera around here and see if we can get it rigged up to the scooter. I actually washed the scooter today. I mean, these things are basically a maintenance-free type deal, but you know, you do have to wipe off the dirt. You know, kind of like your car. I guess this part is going to go around the handlebar. That's going to hang in there. All right, I'm just giving you a little preliminary way this is going to go on. I'm not, you know, doing the super secure, but this is basically the way it's going to work. You're going to run those two around the handlebar like that, and then these two in the back, you're just going to wrap around the post. Yeah, that works really good, actually. Yeah, that works really nice. Look at that. Wow. That's impressive. Yeah, that's real nice. And that's really, it's really on there too. So there's nothing getting damaged there. I'm not going to leave it on Hover 1. I'm going to go put it on the Go Tracks, the G4, because that has way better range than this. So this, I did the test. I only got 8 miles with this thing. I need something a little bit, you know, a little bit more hardy than that. But this thing is a great scooter. I mean, I'd recommend getting this. For this price, this thing's phenomenal. You know, 349 bucks. This thing goes great. 20 miles an hour, you know, yeah, it's really nice. And plus it rides real good too. The only thing about this thing, like I said before, the brakes are a little shaky, but other than that, the important part is you stopping and getting killed. Other than that, it's a great value for the money. But yeah, I think that thing is nice, man. So, all right, guys, there you go. I recommend that. So you know you can put a Mavic Mini, spare battery, phone holder, and the cable, and all that can go in there. No problem. Plus, you could probably still slip a phone or something in there too. So there was a little bit of room left in there. So I'm real happy with that purchase. All right, I'll put a link in there if you want to look at it or pick one up. I don't remember how much it was. It was 20 bucks or something like that. Right around in there, 20, 24 bucks, something like that. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.